Hi friends, it's Hoozy here. Ever wonder why you get the hiccups? It's because of your diaphragm. Inside your body, under your lungs, there is a muscle called the diaphragm. It helps you breathe in and out all day long. But sometimes it squeezes suddenly without warning. That is called a spasm. When that quick squeeze happens, your vocal cords snap shut fast, and that makes the hiccup sound. Hiccups can happen if you eat too fast, drink fizzy drinks, or swallow extra air. All totally normal. Woo! Now you know why we hiccup. Come back soon to laugh and learn with me, Hoozy!